Welcome to the Academy of Elite Doctors, where we elevate medical education to new heights. Dive into our cardiology lectures designed for both doctors and medical students. Stay updated with the latest in cardiology, from heart disease education to ECG interpretation. Learn the basics of echocardiography and master heart failure management with us. We cover everything from arrhythmia management to acute coronary syndrome. Our internal medicine lectures are tailored for postgraduate medical coaching. Prepare for your medical residency training with our evidence-based medicine approach. Join our clinical case discussions and OSCE preparation sessions for hands-on learning. Get ready for your medical viva with our doctor-to-doctor teaching. Explore our advanced cardiology course and online classes for flexible learning. Ace your cardiology exam preparation with high-yield topics and short notes. We cater to medical students and resident doctors across India, ensuring you succeed in your journey.